How to make hair mask at home for hair growth with lemon juice and aloe vera gel. You may have used aloe vera gel on your face plenty of times, but using it on your hair with lemon juice may sound weird. But the truth is the proteolytic enzymes, protein, and vitamins found in it help repair damaged cells on your scalp and nourish hair follicles to stimulate hair growth. Mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel in a bowl. Now, apply this mixture all over your hair and massage it onto your scalp. Leave it on for 20 minutes. In the end, wash it off with shampoo and condition your hair as normal. For best results, follow this routine once a week. Aloe vera gel calms an itchy scalp, deep cleans hair, boosts growth, repairs strands of hair, and even curbs hair fall. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.